fill them up on your own. When you are filling them up, what you need to keep in mind is the preceding.
Your audio is not clear.
What about others? Is my audio all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Whosoever cannot receive it all right, please use earphones. Probably your internet connectivity
So
is
this
not
task
good.
is from which unit, sir?
Pardon?
This task is from which unit?
This task is from unit 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is task 9. I was telling you how to do it. What you need to do it is filling up these blanks. Okay, you have to complete them on your own. You have not been given any clues. However, there are certain clues already available in the statements which are written here. So for example, when you have to fill up this blank, you don't have to focus on the preceding statement only. You have to focus Yes, have you done? Is anybody finished?
1 minute.
Okay, I'm giving 1 minute more. Yes, finished.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Almost.
All right. So salesman begins the conversation. Hello, I help you, sir? What are the possible
I
responses?
want to buy a phone.
I want to buy a phone.
Okay, I want to buy a
I
phone.
I need a phone.
I need a phone. Okay.
I am searching a good quality phone.
Okay, I'm searching for a good quality phone.
I am
I
looking
would
for a
like
phone.
to get a new phone.
I would like to get a new phone.
Well, I am looking for 5G phone with good processor.
Okay, good. Can you
I
show
am
me?
looking to buy myself a phone.
Yeah, very good.
Can you show me some phones?
Yeah, can you show me some phones? Okay, so there can be as many possible responses because this is an open question. Okay, and we know to every open question there can be many responses. All right, this is not a closed question that you could just offer a yes or a no response. Because this is an open question, there can be as many responses, and whatever you said is acceptable. They all can work here. What kind of phone are you looking for?
I'm looking for Android phone.
Okay, I'm looking for an Android phone.
So
I am
Android one
looking
with good
for right.
camera.
Yeah, definitely. You can write anything that I'm looking for a phone with good quality camera. I'm looking for a phone with good memory. Okay, I'm looking for a phone with a dual camera, and then you can talk about like, pixel size, and you can talk about the ROM and RAM, all these things. So it is totally up to you. How about
Sir,
this? Yeah.
at the end, the customer is saying that I have a phone with excellent camera in the
Yeah.
last one. That's why we are using. I am looking having excellent camera.
Yeah, definitely. You can. Not a problem. Definitely you can. How about this one? Hey, I like this one. What features does it have?
It has good cam,
It is
This phone there are
yes,
two SIM slot. There
30,
is a 24
32
megapixel and
good
Yeah,
12
because
camera,
megapixel
front
yeah,
camera.
inside.
So whatever are the latest features, you can just club them all here. All right. All the latest features can be clubbed here in a response to this question. Do you have any other option within the same budget?
Yes, we
actually
have
Yes, sir.
many.
I have another company's phone brands like Nokia,
another.
Huawei, and Vivo.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Because the following question reads, which one do you believe is better for me? That means the salesman shows a number of options to the customer. That's why the customer is not able to decide himself or herself and saying that which one is better for me. He is asking for a suggestion from the salesman. Okay. So do you have any other option within the same budget? So a probable response can be yes, I have got a number of options available. All right. So, and whatever you said is also applicable. I want a phone that has an excellent camera, salesman.
Yes,
I have Oppo
Then you should
we
definitely
have.
go for X Plus.
Yeah, if you want to have an excellent camera in your phone, you can go for Rex Plus or you can buy Rex Plus. Okay, Rex Plus has got an excellent camera. All right, because the customer is saying Rex Plus, that means here the salesman should talk about Rex Plus because customer in the following statement is placing an order for Rex Plus phone. So in the previous statement, there should be some reference to Rex Plus phone. Got it?
Yes, sir.
yes
Please,
sir.
please
Yes,
get
sir.
it, please fill it and get it packed for me. Here is my credit card, and so the conversation ends. Is there any confusion, any question here?
No sir.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
No,
sir.
sir, no, sir.
All right. So let's do another activity. Number 14. Please remember the tasks which I'm leaving, you have to do them on your own. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions. Okay, so here is a small passage followed by some WH questions. So please go through the passage to answer these questions. I'm giving you 3 minutes time. Passage is quite small. Please mute yourself, whosoever has an. Have you finished?
Sir, one.
No, sir.
Just one more minute.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so why did the umpire turn towards the third umpire?
For a review,
For a review.
he wanted to be sure of his
Because we want to
decision.
be
Yeah,
sure
to
of the
be,
decision
yeah,
made.
definitely review is also an answer, but a better one would be to be sure of the decision he had made. Okay, to be sure of the decision he had made. All right, and review also means the same, but it is better if you write in descriptive manner. So it would be to be sure of the decision he had made. When did the umpire find the need for the review?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir,
Yeah.
sir, because
So
umpire
when the
was not
umpire
sure.
is not sure with the
That's
decision.
it.
What did you say? Yeah.
So when the umpire is not sure with his decision.
Yeah. When did the umpire find the need for the review? When he wasn't sure with his decision. All right. When he wasn't sure with his decision. Okay. That can be a response here. Very good. Any other answer?
When Alex appealed, how's that?
When?
So Alex appealed, how's that?
Okay, all right. When Alex exclaimed, how's that? Okay, fine. Okay. But I think this would be a bad, I mean, uh, just you know, shouting how's that doesn't directly take it to the third empire. Okay, we go to the third empire when we are not sure about our decision. We do not directly leave everything on the third empire. First we need to take a decision, and then only we get it reviewed by the third empire. Okay, so that would be a better answer, when he wasn't sure about his decision. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see what are other questions. How long had Oliver been umpiring matches?
Sir, 100
Oliver
meters.
had been umpiring matches
For
as
over
long
100
as
years.
I can remember.
100 matches.
Sir, 100 meters.
See, when it is how long, so we don't have to cite the number of matches, we have to cite the number of years. Okay, we have to cite duration. So you cannot cite here. You can make this mistake very easily, because whenever I ask this question to the students, All of them say that 100th match or 100 years. No. How is it possible that an 100-old man is an umpire? That is not possible at all.
As long as he could remember.
Yes, that would be the answer. How long means duration. Okay. He had been umpiring matches. Yes, for
As long as he
as
could.
long as he could remember. Okay, for as long as he could remember. That means most of his life he had been umpiring. Okay, so as long as he could remember. What made this match special for Oliver?
It was
It was
his
his
100th
100th
match.
This
It
was,
was the 100th match.
yeah, this was his 100th match. This was his 100th match, made it special for him. To whom did the umpire?
As an umpire.
Yes. To whom did the umpire turn and ask for a review?
Third
Third.
umpire.
To the third
umpire.
umpire.
Obviously. What did Mr. Smith wish for his son?
He wished his son to be recognized in the cricket world for his fair and unbiased judgment.
Yeah, very good. His father wanted him to be recognized in the world of cricket for his fair and unbiased decisions. All right. This is the reason he thought that his son can be a very good umpire. Got it?
So,
Any question here? Okay, I'm stopping this. With this, we come to the close of this unit. And now I'm going to open the next unit, which is sequencing. Okay, which is unit number, those who have got the book, it is unit number 6. Let me download the pages first, which I have just sent.
Third. Sir, unit third.
No, this is not unit 3. This is unit 6 we have to do, sequencing. Five sentences in the track that give a command. Okay, command. You know command? Command is an order. For example, open your book, go on to page number 55. All right, you all sit quietly. Okay, so they are commands actually. Okay, commands are orders which an authority gives. So your teacher, your superiors, your bosses, your employers can give you commands. And most of the time, for example, my chairperson can gives me a command that I need to do this, I should complete this within time and all these things. So we usually are given commands by our elders, by our superiors. Write the sentences after omitting the sequence words in the space below. The first one is done for you. Okay, so when you listen to this, write these sentences in the space below. One of the sentences is start walking along the road you are on, which is already given for you. Okay, so you have got what you have to do. You have to listen to the audio. While listening, you have to jot down all the directions, all the commands. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Units Track 6.1.
First of all, start walking along the road you are on. After 200 meters, the road stops moving uphill and straightens out into Jogiwara Road. Next, the post office will appear on your right. Now, cross over to the footpath on the opposite side of the post office. After that, a minute or so. Once again, take the left that opens up, moving uphill. There is a signboard that says Hotel Bhunag. The guest house is only a little way up the road from there. Walk 100 meters and you will reach your destination.
Yes. Could you note down? You don't have to jot down all the sentences.
Sir, would you please repeat the audio?
Yeah,
would you please repeat the audio?
I'm going to play the audio again. What I'm pressing, you don't have to jot down all the sentences. You simply have to jot down the commands. Got it?
सर एक एग्जांपल देखिए आप बताइए.
Yeah. So the very first command is start walking along the road you are on. Okay, let's do it again.
Unit 6, Track 6.1.
First of all, start walking along the road you are on.
So you are on is not a command. All right. First of all is a sequencing word. So you don't have to focus on sequencing words and other parts of sentences. You simply have to focus on the sentences which are commands, which is start walking on the road you are on. Okay, start walking along the road you are on is the sentence which contains a command. So you have to note only such sentences. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm playing it.
After 200 meters, the road stops moving uphill and straightens out into Jogiwara Road. Next, the post office will appear on your right. Now, cross over to the footpath on the opposite side of the post office. After that, turn left at the tri-section near the post office and keep moving for a minute or so. Once again, take the left that opens up, moving uphill. There is a signboard that says Hotel Bhunag. The guest house is only a little way up the road from there. Walk 100 meters and you will reach your destination.
Yes, could you do this? You still seem confused, right?
Sir, done, sir.
Done. Does anybody want me to play it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm playing it the last time.
Unit 6, Track 6.1.
First of all, start walking along the road you are on. After 200 meters, the road stops moving uphill and straightens out into Jogiwara Road. Next, the post office will appear on your right. Now, cross over to the footpath on the opposite side of the post office. After that, turn left at the tri-section near the post office and keep moving for a minute or so. Once again, take the left that opens up, moving uphill. There is a signboard that says Hotel Bhunag. The guest house is only a little way up the road from there. Walk 100 meters and you will reach your destination.
All right. So could you jot down all the commands?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So the first is
Yes.
all right. So I'm going to share my screen. All right. So one is already done for you, which is start walking along the road you are on. So this was the first command. Okay. What is the second command?
So cross over
After
to the
200
footpath.
meters, the road is
Yeah, cross over to
the road.
cross over to
Footpath.
Yeah, cross over to the footpath. That's it.
On the opposite side.
Yeah, that is not necessary. That is a descriptive term used for the footpath, so that we can leave out. What is important here is the command, which is cross over to the footpath. Got it?
Sir, then sir, turn left at the tri-section near the post office.
Yeah, turn left at the tri-section. Okay, turn left at the tri-section. Turn left at the tri-section. After that,
Take the left, then open up.
Left.
yeah,
Keep
take the
moving
left
for a minute or so.
Take the left that opens up.
Then before there is keep moving for a minute or so.
Yeah, keep moving for a minute or so is also a command. Very good. Keep moving is also a command. Okay. After that, take the left that opens up. After that, there is one more command.
Walk
Walk
100
100 meter.
Walk
Yes,
100
sir.
Walk
meters.
100 meter and
Walk 100
and you will reach your destination.
Yeah,
You
and
reach
you
the
will reach your
destination.
destination, and you
Right.
will reach your destination as it is not a command, so no point in noting that. You got it? So they are commands. Okay, so the verbs in commands are written in their base forms without any as, ing, or es. Okay, so whenever we give instructions or whenever we give commands, we use verbs in their base form irrespective of the subject. And whenever commands and instructions are given, they are without subject. So if you note all the sentences you have noted, you will find that there is nothing before the verb. Okay, sentences begin with verb. See, start walking, so the sentence begins with start. Okay, no subject before it. Next is cross over to the footpath. There is nothing before crossover, so crossover is the verb. After turn left, okay, so turn is the verb, nothing before that. So these commands and instructions begin with the verbs themselves. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any question
Yes,
here? Any question?
no, sir.
Okay, let's move on to the next page. From the sentences that you wrote in question 1 above, identify the verbs and write them in the space below. Yeah, please pick out verbs and write them here. Pick out verbs and write them here. Do it fast.
So done, sir.
Okay, what are these?
So start walking, cross over.
No,
Done.
not
Yes,
start walking, just start. Just start. Walking is not a verb there.
yes.
This is looking like a verb, but this is not a verb. Okay, start. After that,
So crossover.
yeah.
Crossover.
Yes, sir. Out.
So turn.
Left.
Turn,
So
turn,
turn.
turn,
Turn, sir.
only turn.
So keep. So keep.
Keep. Okay.
So take.
Take,
And so walk.
walk. Okay, so they are verbs here. And you can note that they are written in their base form. Base form is the one which doesn't have any suffix to it. Okay, it hasn't got any suffix es or s or ies or ing. Were the sentences sequenced properly? Discuss with the class which words helped in sequencing. Note down the words in the space provided. Okay, do you want me to play the audio again so that you can note down the sequencing words? So what I'm doing, I'm playing the audio again, and this time you have to note down the sequencing words. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sayyid Waliullah, please mute yourself.
Sir, can open up also be used
Pardon?
as a verb?
What can you use?
Sir, can open up been also be used as a verb in the previous question?
Open up. No, yeah. So that is not verb of command. That is rather for something else. The speaker is not asking his friend to open up. Rather, he is telling that road actually opens up into something. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is open up is not a command for his friend. Rather, it is used for describing the road. Okay, let me figure it out where it, yeah, take the left, that opens up. That opens up. That means it widens. So that turn actually widens. It is not a command for his friend. His friend is not asked to open up into anything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I'm playing the audio again, and this time you have to note the sequencing words.
Unit 6, Track 6.1.
First of all, start walking along the road you are on. After 200 meters, the road stops moving uphill and straightens out into Jogiwara Road. Next, the post office will appear on your right. Now, cross over to the footpath on the opposite side of the post office. After that, turn left at the tri-section near the post office and keep moving for a minute or so. Once again, take the left that opens up, moving uphill. There is a signboard that says Hotel Bunag. The guest house is only a little way up the road from there. Walk 100 meters and you will reach your destination.
Yes, so what are some of these? Can you just list them?
So first of all, after,
Yes.
next, now,
Yes. Yeah.
after that, once,
Once again. After that, once again. Okay.
once
That's
again,
it.
yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
There is a
Yeah. Is there any other?
No, sir.
Okay, there is no other sequencing words. That means in this set of directions there were 5 sequencing words used. All right. What we learned, it is not necessary that you begin every sentence, every command with a sequencing word. For example, last 3 sentences, last 3 direction sentences didn't have any sequencing word. Okay, if you use a sequencing word before every sentence, before every instruction or command, that would sound very unnatural. Okay, so don't do that. All right, this is the last activity to be done. Here are certain directions, okay, and they have been jumbled. Their words have been jumbled, so you have to arrange them to make meaningful sentences. Yeah, do it. I'm also doing, you also do. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Okay.
So, or now at the gate, turn left, so I need.
All right.
Now turn left at the gate.
Yeah, so it is always better that you use the sequencing word right at the beginning. This is the only place they take. Okay. And after that, it is always better that you write the command. Okay. And after that, you talk about the location. So the best way would be now turn left at the gate. Okay. I repeat, it is always better that you use the sequencing words right at the beginning of sentences. After that, you write the commands, and after that, the location points, which is at the gate. Got it?
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Coming to the second one.
So on the right,
Take the right on the second turning.
No.
So take the second on the
Take the
on
second.
turning
what?
right.
Take the second what? What?
So on
second?
turning right. So on the turning right.
No.
Take the second right on turning.
No.
on the right, take the second turning.
Okay. Take the second turning on the right. Okay. Take the second turning on the right. Okay. On the right, there would be number of turnings and the person is asked to take the second turning. Okay. That means second street or second lane. Got it?
Yes.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Take the second turning on the right. As I just told you that please begin your directions with the direction words and location points or locating points, landmarks at the end later. Okay, third one.
So go along this
straight along
straight,
this street.
Go along.
this straight
This
street.
is straight street.
No.
Go straight along this street.
Sir, go straight
Go-
along this street.
Yes, very good. Go straight along this street. Okay. You have been given a similar task in your assignment. So please make sure that your answers are okay. Go straight along this street. Okay, coming to the fourth one.
Sir,
So
take the third left
on the third road.
Take the
Third
Take
left.
the left
on the
on the
third road.
take the third left on the road.
Yes, sir. Take.
Take the third left on the road. So the third left on
Yes, sir,
the
got it.
again. I mean, it could be take the third turning. Okay, take the third road or take the third lane. Okay, so instead of that, we can also say this is also a way. Take the third left on the road. All right. So there are so many ways, whichever you find, but here we have to go by the words we have been given. All right. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Coming
Yes,
to
sir.
So on your right, you will find the police station.
yeah, on your right, you will find the police station. Very good.
You will find the police station on your right.
Yeah, you will find the police station
Yes,
on your
sir.
right. That is also very much okay. No issues. Okay, because here we don't have any command, so it can be either of the ways. Okay, you can put anything before or later. Any question here?
No, sir.
All right, so we are done with this. And now when we meet next week, we would do the following activities. So what you do, whosoever has got the book, please start doing rest of the activities that will help you perform better in the class and also in your assignments. Got it?
Sir, we are doing
Sir,
we are doing assignment, but sir, our English is not improving, sir.
English is not improving.
Yes, sir.
So where are you lacking?
So I don't know, sir.
All right. So you have not been able to gain anything from these classes?
No, sir. Little much, sir.
Have you
Little
been
bit.
regular? Have you been regular?
Sir, first two chapters, sir, I was absent.
Okay. And all these days you have been regular when we did unit 2 and now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right. So you need to figure out where you are lacking and then you can discuss that with me during the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Also, have you got the book?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, so you need to practice as much as possible as we are not able to do all the activities, all the tasks in the class. So when you are done with the unit, when that topic has been discussed in the class, you can do the tasks yourself. That would definitely help you improve.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other question?
sir, you have
One by one, yes. Uwais Arshad.
Sir, where can I get the book?
How can so it was you only who texted me. So
Yes.
department is open now, I think. So actually I'm not going to the department these days just for precautionary measures, but there must be somebody in the department. So let me speak to the department first if they are selling the book at the department. So if they are selling, I'll let you know. You can go there and collect it yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
If you don't have any problem, I mean, we are not asking you to go to the department. If you wish, if you think that it is okay to go there, you can and get the book. The other
Yes, sir.
option is that you place the order, but for which you will have to pay 35 rupees extra and your book will be delivered at your doorstep.
Sir,
delivery is open.
I live near the campus. There is no problem in going.
Sir, is delivery open?
Yeah, delivery is open now.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is the last date of submission of assignment of English?
I have already stated.
sir, you have
On Google
uploaded it
Classroom.
twice, sir. You have posted it twice.
What
Second assignment is on Saturday, sir. And third one, last date is 15th June.
Yeah, so I haven't posted twice. Rather, I have posted 2 assignments separately.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I haven't posted anything twice. Okay, I have posted 2 assignments. I will be considering your diagnostic test, which was test yourself 1 as your first assignment, and rest of the assignments I have uploaded by the name assignment 2 and assignment 3.
Yes, sir.
All
Sir,
right.
I
So
have
there
one
is.
question, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, this is from test yourself too.
Hmm.
Action speak louder than words.
Yeah.
This sentence make a question, sir.
This is from
How can
test
we?
your
Yes, sir.
test yourself 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is task number.
1, sir. First.
Okay. Okay. So
Page number 131, sir.
yeah, got it. This is sentence number 5.
Yes, sir.
So what is the problem?
Sir, if we change the word does with don't with does.
No,
Is this
no.
possible,
If it
sir?
is no. If it is don't, keep it don't. Okay. Probably the writer thinks so. Probably the writer thinks that it should be don't, so you have to go by don't only. You cannot change it into positive.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Probably.
I have written don't speak words louder than actions. It is correct, sir?
I don't know. I will mark it
Okay.
later on only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
All right. So this is what we have been told by our elders, that this is so and this is taken to be a positive statement, but probably the examiner, the writer thinks that it is not so, and so he or she has made it negative. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.